Hello, I would like to welcome you to our 12th tutorial, which will focus on introduction of our glass switch button GSB. We will take a look at the possibilities of this unit and how it works and what is integrated with it. We produce it in several models. You can choose how many buttons you need to have, and also you can choose the color of the glass, and also we have the library of symbols for the buttons and you can choose them. As usually, we start with a new floor with the name GSB 340. I'm working with a unit which has 4 buttons. On the desktop we put one GSB 340 unit and one digital output relay. By double-clicking, we assign the GSB unit with the real one, and the output is assigned with the relay number 2, that means the interior light. In the device manager, open GSB. On the right side you can see all parameters. Here you can see the address, name, and what is more interesting, the thermosensor and other settings. All our wall switch units have external inputs for temperature sensor. By the confirmation of thermosensor, you can use it. If it's not confirmed, the output is used for 2 potential free inputs. The glass switch button also supports vibrations as a feedback from the buttons. Then you can also use beeping as the second feedback. You can choose not beep, short beep and long beep. The last option is for light setup for backlight of buttons. Our glass switch buttons has integrated a light sensor on the front panel. You have 3 options. Light limit, that means if the light intensity is lower than something, the backlight for buttons will be switched on. The backlight will switch on all time, and last option is without backlight of buttons. You can also use the light intensity sensor as the output to the system as for a relay. If you open light in menu, you can use, for example, invert input. This option is if you want to switch on or switch off the relay if it is beyond the light intensity limit. You can also use the hysteresis option. For this project, we set up the light limit to 10 lux. On the left side, you can see these for signalization and other option for the internal temperature sensor, terminal for digital inputs or analog input, which is on the back side of the unit. Now we create a connection between GSB and relay 2. GSB is open, and now we want to use output from light in, where we set up 10 lux for control of the interior light on the right side. The name of wire is light intensity sensor. Now we need to add 2 functions for digital in-out switch on using the function digital on, and for digital in-out switch off using the function digital off. Now we can save the project and upload it to the central unit.